Can mulch get into my HVAC equipment? Yes, mulch can get into your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning equipment if it is blown, kicked, or washed close to the outdoor unit. Mulch is light, so strong wind, a lawnmower, or even heavy rain can move it around and push it toward the outdoor condenser unit. If enough mulch piles up around the base, it can block the airflow that the system needs to release heat, and that makes the equipment work harder. Small pieces can also slip through the outside grill and land near the fan or coil area. That does not always mean instant damage, but it can trap dirt, hold moisture, and make rust more likely over time. One thing many people do not realize is that wet mulch can act like a sponge, so it stays damp longer and can keep the bottom of the unit from drying out. Another less obvious problem is that mulch near the unit can hide ants, insects, and even small bits of wood that get pulled toward moving parts. The safest habit is to keep a clear space around the outside unit and check it after landscaping or storms. If mulch has gotten inside, turn the system off and have a technician clean and inspect it before it causes a bigger repair. A common mistake is piling mulch too high around the outdoor unit, because people think it looks neat, but that can choke airflow. A good tip is to leave open space all around the equipment so air can move freely. Another mistake is assuming only leaves and grass clippings are a problem, when tiny mulch pieces can also build up inside the coil fins and fan area. A good tip is to rinse the area gently and keep the ground trimmed back. People also forget that hiding the unit with plants or edging can make it harder to spot trouble, like vibration, rust, or blocked drainage. A smart tip is to check the unit after storms and after any landscaping work. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.